Hey guys, today I'm going to make some teriyaki chicken thighs in the Instant Pot. So let's apply the pressure. This is going to be super easy, just some boneless, skinless chicken thighs and some Mr. Yoshida's teriyaki sauce. So I'm going to use 1 cup of this. Alright, get that in there. And this won't burn. I did this the other day and it turned out real good. So I don't use any seasoning. If you do use any seasoning, I would suggest using seasonings with no salt because that's pretty salty. So I just do it just like this without any seasonings. I'm just going to mix that up a little bit. That's all mixed up. There was 5 chicken thighs in that package. Let's get the lid on there. I have this on the pressure cook setting for 5 minutes. And I'm going to do a natural release, so I'm going to turn the keep warm off and we'll get that started, and I'll let you guys know what the total cooking time is by the time the pressure pin drops. I just heard the pressure pin drop. That took about 31 minutes. Let's take a look here. Hopefully this is done. That looks pretty good to me. Looks like it's nice and cooked. In fact, it's breaking apart, so yeah. And the longer this kind of sits in that sauce, it soaks up the sauce and gets even more flavor. Well, that makes a pretty good looking plate. I steamed the vegetables on the stove. I cooked that rice in the Instant Pot before I cooked the chicken. This is jasmine rice. I just would go equal parts rice and equal parts water. So that was 2 cups of rice, 2 cups of water, and that looks pretty fluffy. I normally put the sauce on everything. I just left it off for the plate because it just looks a little prettier without turning everything all brown. Anyway, let's try a bite of this chicken here. That's good. That Mr. Yoshida sauce is good stuff. And I like the thighs a lot better than the breast. They don't dry out as much. I guess we better make it official and let Annie, the taste test dog, try it out. She seems pretty excited. I guess that's a yes. I think she liked it. So that was a 5-minute pressure cook time, but like I said, it was a little over half an hour by the time it preheated, pressure cooked, and then the pressure released on its own. I just think meat turns out better when you let the pressure release naturally, but that's just me. Thanks for watching. Talk to you guys next time.